G'day, welcome to another Curriculum Burst. Here's a juicy problem to keep you on your toes for high schoolers. It goes as follows. A clock chimes once at 30 minutes past each hour and chimes on the hour according to the hour. For example, at 1 p.m. there is one chime, and at noon and midnight there are 12 chimes. Okay, so clock chimes every hour, giving the count of the numbers for the hours, and gives one chime every half hour. Got it. Starting at 11:15 a.m. on February 26th, 2003, let me guess the date the competition was held, on what date will the 2003 chime occur? Oh gosh, okay. I get this question, but it just seems awfully complicated. Okay, I've got this clock chiming on every half hour and on every hour with the count of the hours for the hours, and I want the date of the 2003 chime since 11:15 on February 26th. It just feels crazy. I'm not really sure how to begin. All right, if I don't know how to begin, strategy number 2 comes into play. Do something. Do something. What do I do? All right, okay. I'm going to count the number of chimes in a day. That feels like something worthwhile. Actually, let me do half a day. Let's go from just after midnight to noon, and then we'll do just after noon to midnight. Okay, so that'll be a full 24 hours, but it really comes into 2 pieces, the 12 hours and 12 hours. So during the 12 hours, you'll have, for the 12 hours, there's 12 half hours, so you get 12 single chimes from the half hours, plus you get one chime for 1 o'clock, plus 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, all the way up to noon. So I'm doing just after midnight, up to including noon. So that's the number of chimes I get in one 12-hour period. What is that number? Let's see. 1 plus 2 is 13, 2 plus 11 is 13, 3 plus 10 is 13. This is actually 6 13s. So this answer is actually 12 plus 6 13s. I'm not very good at arithmetic. This is 12 plus, 60 plus 18. How's that? That's 90. There are 90 chimes in a 12-hour period. Just after midnight to noon, including noon, just after noon, up to midnight, including midnight. So in one full day, that has 2 of these, has 180 chimes. Okay, that feels significant, that feels something. It gets the annoying part of this question, one that makes me a bit nervous. We're starting at some really odd time in the middle of the day. We started at 11:15 a.m. on February 26th. Okay, so on February 26th, there'll be one chime for 11:30, plus there'll be 12 chimes for noon, plus the next 90 chimes for the rest of that day. So on February 26th itself, we have this many chimes. Was that 103 or something? Okay, now this feels doable. We know on February 26th, we'll do 103 chimes, including midnight of that day. Each day thereafter, be an additional 180 chimes, and we want to get up to the 2003 chime. That feels doable. I want to know how many 180s there are. That gets me up to 2003 when I started 103. And then we'll just work out the dates. So probably get the number of days. That probably doesn't feel too bad. Knowing me, I'm going to get myself confused on the dates, but if I think slowly and carefully and be patient, I'll probably get the correct date as well. In fact, why don't you try it? Find the date for the 2003 chime in this problem. And when you get an answer, let's compare it to the answers in the essay that goes with the video. Let's see if we get the same thing. Cool. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. For more curriculum inspirations material, go to our website. Lots of great stuff there.